Hello kiddos and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. I'm your teacher Miss Hira and I'm here with a new sound for you. So let's dive in. But before we learn the new sound, let's quickly revise the sounds that we have already done. If you know them, say them aloud. If you don't remember any of them, repeat after me. Ooh, ooh, two sounds, long and short. Ooh, ooh. A, E, I, O. W, O, V, A, E, O, and T. I hope you remember all these sounds very well. So now let's find out today's story and listen to the story carefully because you know the sound is hidden in the story. Okay? It is lunchtime and Yasmin, Ron and Yamal are having something to eat. Yamal eats his sandwiches quickly so he can play with his yo-yo. Yasmin's mom has given her some yogurt. That looks nice, says Ron. Yes, it is, says Yasmin. I chose it when we went shopping yesterday. It's a yellow banana yogurt. I love yellow. May I try some? Asks Ron. Yes, says Yasmin. It's nice, says Ron. A yummy yellow yogurt. And here it is. This is the yogurt that they are eating. So could you guess our today's sound? It is the sound that is in the word yellow, yummy, yo-yo, Yasmin. Our today's sound is y. Okay? Let's repeat after me. Y. And here you are. If you want to do the action of y, you need to pretend to eat yogurt from a spoon, saying y, like this. Okay? Now you must be thinking, how do we write it? So put your fingers up in the air. We begin y in the blue lines, but the longer stick of y goes to the red line as well. Move your fingers along with my finger. A short slanting line. Pick up your pencil, go up and go to the red line. Y. Let's write it together. A short line in the blue lines. Pick up your pencil, go to the blue line again and y. This is how we write y. You can try it in the air again or on your table with your finger. And if you have done this, here is our first worksheet where we will write y. You can pause the video, finish this worksheet yourself or write y in your notebooks and we will meet on the next worksheet. I'm writing it once here so you can see that we have to draw a short slanting line, then a long slanting line. Y, yak, y, yogurt, y, yo-yo. And if you want to write it in the lines, so here you are, a short slanting line in the blue lines and then a long line from blue to red. Y. Finish it yourself and resume the video from this worksheet. I hope you all have got this. And you also know very well what do we do here. We need to circle the pictures in which we hear the y sound. Okay? So listen to the names of the picture or if you want to do it yourself, go ahead. Y, yolk or roller skates. Y, yolk. The yellow part of the egg is called yolk. Y, yolk. I hear you in yolk. Hairband or yellow. Y, hairband, yellow. Y, yellow. Y, yogurt, grass. Y, yogurt, grass. Yogurt. Y, cow, yell. Cow, yell. Y, yell. Y, picture, yak. Picture, yak. Y, yak. Kudos! That was easy peasy. If you have finished this paper, turn to the next page and it's here. In this exercise, we need to check the pictures in which we hear the y sound and cross out the others. Right? Let's get it started. Yo-yo. Do you hear y in yo-yo? Y, yo-yo. Yes, we hear it. Paper. Paper. Y, paper. Nope, no y. Mask. Y, mask. Nope, no y in mask. Yacht. Yacht. Y, yacht. We hear y in yacht. Gloves. Y, gloves. We don't hear y in gloves. Yawn. Y, yawn. Y, yawn. We hear y in yawn. There you go. And now is your time to draw something here that has y sound in it. You can draw a yacht, you can draw a yo-yo, you can draw some yellow paint or whatever you like, but it must have y sound in it. And now when we know the y sound very well, it's time for blending. So are you ready? Let's get started. Say the sounds and blend them together. Y, ye, yell. Quickly. Yell. Y, yak. Yak. Quickly. Yak. Y, yam. Yam. Quickly. Yam. Y, yes. Yes. Quickly. Yes. Kudos! We did it! And now we are going to do some segmenting. So listen to the words carefully, break them into sounds, put the sound dots and write them down. Ready? The first word is yes. Use sound dot, break the word into sounds. Yes. Y, yes. Yes. Let's write it. Y, yes. Yes. Quickly. Yes. Excellent too. Next word is yell. Yell. First sound y. Ye, ye, yell. Let's write it. Y, ye, yell. But remember, I have told you before that is scared of the short vowel a. So we need to double it. We need to write it with its twin brother. Yell. Yell. Like this. Next word is yelp. Yelp. Let's try it. Y, yelp. Yelp. We have 4 sounds this time, right? Let's write it. Y, yelp. Yelp. Too good. Let's write the last word. It's yam. Yam. Sound dots. Y, yam. Yam. Let's write it. Y, yam. Read quickly. Yam. Kudos! This is so nice. You can also try sounding out words yourself and write them down in your notebook. And now it's time for a treat. Here is your coloring paper. You can color in the pictures where you hear the y sound, right? So I'm saying these words once for you. Later you can repeat them and color only in the pictures where you hear y. Yawn, lungs, yoke, tall, yo-yo. Listen to the words carefully again and color in the pictures where you hear y. Okay? And at the end, we have got some homework. We need to find a color that begins with the y sound and later find 5 things which have that color. Isn't it interesting? First, you have to find out the color that has y sound in it and then find 5 objects that also have that color in them. Okay? I hope you have got the color that begins with y, y, y. It's a riddle for you. Think and do your work. And after that, if you would like to do some paint, go ahead, do some painting, but try using yellow color in it. Okay, so that's all for our today's video. Hope you have learned the sound very well. If you really enjoyed the lesson, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed the channel, click the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and I'll see you soon with a new sound. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.